Finished product. Product of Jamaica. Yeah, I'm stupid, and I know. Yeah, man, product of Jamaica.
Sweet.
This is how I turn breadfruit. Yeah. So, stay tuned and check out the video.
Back for the breadfruit, nice, see? Sweet and nice.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah. Take a look at the
Yeah man, Soulfly fam, breadfruit. Breadfruit that come like a childhood dish way. Every day remember from climbing. Yeah man, Soulfly fam, yeah. And as a youth growing up, we always have a big breadfruit tree in our way, and every day, so my time we just stand up and we just pick breadfruit or fight. So we just show you how we do the roast breadfruit. Yeah, the style, you see me? So right now we just go look we there try look the wood for roast the breadfruit and thing, you see me? So what the happen with the breadfruit tree is that the breadfruit tree they drop on the walls, me I tell you, Jaja. You rough, you see me? But you know what thing already? And I survive and things so way. Why chew it same way, you see me? So
yeah, I miss out on a lot.
all true Jamaican must know roast breadfruit. So I just eat what we are flick to, you know, so yeah, sure enough for do this roast breadfruit.
Yeah, so me probably roast breadfruit.
Yeah, so fly fam. So it's about 9-10 o'clock you know in the morning, you see me? So we just get the fire together, you know, and get in there every day, you see me? Cause roast breadfruit, you see me? So we just show you this simple steps and things for roast breadfruit, you see me? We just bring it to the roots of everything. True Jamaican thing, you see me? Roast breadfruit from scratch and thing, you see me? Fire we are build, you see me? So fly from so we have a breadfruit now. Breadfruit ripe, you know. Yeah, so the reason why we cut the breadfruit and now, so we cut that the stain run out. So that's the main reason why we cut the breadfruit. I do it just like this, you see me? It's like we just mark some X in it. But the breadfruit we have right now is a turned breadfruit, and that would be like a gold mine to any Jamaican. Everybody know about turned breadfruit. Turned breadfruit, you see me? You know, we got the wood, got the fire ready, up and ready and now. So we set up a fire, and we set up my fire different. That's when me set up my fire, you know. We just put the breadfruit in there one time, when I'm done. We just cover him up. I'm done and just one roast and I just take him out. Now I see how I do it. Some people would have put the fire, turn them breadfruit. I'm not turn it. Just put fire. It's like you do pudding, ella top, ella bottom. Some do my breadfruit. You see me? It's a technique I use for years. I don't have to turn the breadfruit, I just put back over and then when I'm ready, I just come back, check the breadfruit and take it out. Oh, you know what's your breadfruit done roast now is that you have your knife. You put a knife through the heart of the breadfruit. Once it come out clear, it'll be the same like I do the cake. Once it come out clear, without a stain on it, you know, see your breadfruit done roast, you see me? Yeah, for real. Fire blazer, fire. Finish product of Jamaica. Yeah, I'm stupid and I know. Yeah man, product of Jamaica.
Sweet.
This is how I turn breadfruit. Yeah. So stay tuned and check out the video.